Hey pashfam, this is JameeMaree, and I just wanted to bring to you one of my recent Instagram lives that showed exactly how I use the Passion Planner pocket organizer that I have created and more. So stay tuned, and just as a side note, you're going to have a really good laugh. So keep your eyes peeled for the epic Instagram live fail. Enjoy!
And let's go!
Hey guys, it's JameeMaree. I've had a lot of questions about what can fit into your pocket organizer, what cannot. And disclaimer, I'm not going to be able to see anybody's comments because I am using both my devices at once. So this is a pocket organizer. So this is what everything is that was in my planner. Yes, in my planner. So it's a mess, but I want to show you guys how easy it is to be able to fill it. The other thing is I'm also trying to do this before a storm gets here, so it just gradually keeps getting darker. So if you leave a comment, I probably will not see it, but if you are here live, awesome. If you want to drop a live comment down below, that would be super awesome. So anybody have an endless supply of receipts? I do. I struggle with it. I'm going to show you this. This is the tri-fold. So there's 3 sides. Okay. And then this one, it's a little skinnier, is the monster. It is the quad. So you have pockets everywhere. Now this is my personal one. I don't have a pocket here for myself just because this is what is going to go into the back of the Passion Planner. You can if you want to, and everything is customizable. If you are not a Passion Planner user, first of all, I don't know why you're not, so get on board. But if you are, oh no, you guys, now I have to do it by hand. Well, that's fun. The joys of lives. So, sorry, did everybody just about spit their drink out? I did. So now we have to do this one-handed. So this just slides into the back of your Passion Planner. Look at that, you guys. I'm glad I didn't break my iPad. Let's see if we can at least get it out of the way. Okay, so it slides right into there. It scared the crap out of me too. I'm shaking so bad. So your back pocket slides right into the back pocket of your Passion Planner. Okay, so then you can use it like this, and if you're out on the go, you just fold it out. Very, very thin design. I've had this idea for 2 years. So this is how thin it is. Obviously, once you stuff it full, it's going to get a little bit... I'm still laughing. It's going to get a little bit bigger as it gets full. But, so, again, this is everything that I had pulled out of my Passion Planner and out of my pocket organizers so that I could show you guys exactly how I use this. So this is my, what'd I say? This is my tri-fold. If you guys missed the mess, yeah, I'm still shaking and trying to get, trying to get regulated again. My iPad just fell and my phone during the live. That's how cool we are. So, you can take any stickers, slide them in. Let's pull this back out so you guys can see. So now, anyway, now I'm doing this one-handed, which is going to make it a lot harder. But you slide everything in. My 7-year-old, she filled this the other day, and she was like, "Whoa, Mom, it just keeps growing. There's more pockets." Depending on what size of stickers you typically use, You may have to play with the pockets a little bit to see where they're going to fit the best. These are my stickers that I have had in the shop in the past. I lost over like 200 design files my senior semester, and I just couldn't remake them. So I'm actually in the process now of remaking them. So let's see if you can see them. So they're just sketch stickers, so that you can color code. And now that the pocket organizers are going, now I can focus on that. So slide your stuff in. Look, it's so easy. I can do it one-handed. Open it up. Receipts. I like to put my receipts into a big pocket where they're not going to slide out. That's totally up to you. I also put my mail. And you guys, this is not as easy one-handed, but that's okay. Let's find some more mail up here. You like my dentist note? I got a tooth pulled, and I have barely been able to talk until today. It has been a nightmare. And steroids made me loony. So if you're here live, drop a live in the comments below. And if you're here for the replay, go ahead and put replay. So, bills. Let's see, what else do I want to show you guys? I'm going to show you something in the other one. Is that a pocket? I don't even know where my own darn pockets are. I want to show you this because I love having a bullet journal or a pack of paper with me everywhere I go. Okay, so what I have done is I have just folded some paper and I keep it in the pocket so that when I need to make a quick note or make a grocery list, it's right there. Okay, all the pockets can be used for something completely personalized to you. So again, in the other one, I have my receipts. More receipts. Let's put some notes in here. I'm not doing it nicely. If you guys are interested in any vintage things, I'm going to be releasing a whole bunch of things, vintage products as well. And also working to get all of my stickers back in the shop. So keep your eyes peeled, turn on notifications so that you can get notified when I post stuff. So again, working on the stickers now, and then I'm also working on some monthly subscription boxes. So we are gonna be having a fun, busy summer. All right, so let's see, there's a small sticker. And I have to be for my receipts because it's a smaller pocket. I don't know. I know a lot of you guys use some different companies that have different stickers and they're small. And they will fit in these pockets. So my sticker sheets are big, so they have to fit in the bigger pocket. So anyway, continuing on, filling it up. And let's see, what else do we have? Surely we've got another pocket. Like, you guys, I make them and I can't even find all the pockets. So I have 2 pockets here stuffed full. Like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 sticker sheets right here alone. And I still have more room. Okay. So you can use these. They're extremely versatile. And like I said, this is my personal one, so I didn't put pockets on the front. You guys, most of them that I am making do have pockets on the front and back so that you can decide how you want to use that. So from there, this was so much better when I had everything set up. For those of you just joining, we had it all up on a tripod, but it all collapsed. So now I'm doing it one-handed. So you just take this, again, one-handed, so it's not gonna look as easy as it is. But you just take it, open up your pocket. I need my daughter to be here so she can be my assistant because this is not working. Bad time for the tripod to fall. Slide it in. And this, if I had both hands, this pocket actually would lay down flat, but because I'm one-handed, it's not going to. But regardless, you see, and I'm trying to do this before this storm gets here too. So let me see if I can do it one-handed. So then you just close it up, and that looks like crap. I need to set my phone down so I can show you guys. So funny. We're just gonna roll with the punches. I promise you guys, it's not this complicated. This is why it was all set up on the tripod. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. So it's in the back pocket. This can also fit all the way in, but like I said, that was too hard with having just one hand. So everything's stuffed full in here, folds out. I've got my receipts, my scrap paper, more stickers. I think I've got over probably, just in this front pocket, I've got at least 10 sheets. So I've probably got a good 20 to 25 sticker sheets in here, plus receipts, plus extra paper. Most of them come with a pocket here. I did not for myself. Don't know why, but I didn't. So then you close it up. And you guys look. What? Say what? Thank you, Planning with Tay. You missed the tragedy earlier. I threw everybody on the floor. It was great. So, again, that one. So, and then in here, let's put some more in it. So much easier when I have my tripod, you guys. So if you were here when we started, this is where all my receipts and my mail are. I've got another pocket here. I could use that for sticker sheets. I could use it for scratch pieces of paper, notes, sticky notes. If you guys go watch Planning with Pixie, or no, the Pixie Planners YouTube video, she shows hers as well, and it's got a flippy pocket. I don't know what to call it, but so the other thing you can do is if you don't want it in your planner or you have stuff you need to work on, you can just take this and grab it. So Planning with Tay, they are in my Etsy shop. They're completely customizable. I have various different styles, sizes, pocket add-ons, things like that, because everybody started asking for even more pockets than the 6 to 8. So, and then this, I need a name for this. Okay, you guys have to help me. So this is okay, what should I call it? Because they'll all be different patterns, and I can't really call it an envelope foldy thing. Well, maybe I can, I don't know. So I do not have, let me see, do I? Nope, I don't have my Pro. Nope, it's in the other room. I do not have my Pro with me. But on my Pro, this fits right here. And it obviously fits perfect. This one's a classic, so it would be bigger if somebody ordered this. But love it. Oh, I love that. Planner wallet. Oh, Planning with Tay. If you order one, girl, put Planner with Tay planner wallet in the comments, and I'll make you one of these, and I'll send it to you for free. Yeah, because I love that planner wallet. Everybody can get their planner wallet. So, you guys, I went from a big pile of junk, receipts galore, to, okay, next time we go live, I have to have my daughter. Voila! You like my song? There we go. So we've got stuff in here, stuff in here. Flip it out, flippity flip. Scratch paper, receipts, galore. You guys, you can fit everything in here. It is, I'm not lying, it is bomb.com. So it's been in my head for 2 years, and I just couldn't figure out how I was going to make it come to life. And so when I finally figured it out, there was no stopping. So I just got to start doing some lives and better pictures, but they're taking off like crazy. So yeah, definitely get your order in. Shop update wise, I think I have about, in the last few days I've had about 25 to come in. So if you use a different size planner, definitely let me know. I can make a custom size for you, but I'm pretty sure these will fit in most planners. This one's just specifically, see ya girl, thanks. Specifically made for the Passion Planner. So yeah, you can fit this all the way in the back pocket, folds out. Let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with. And now your Passion Planner has been transformed. Talk to you soon. Bye.
This is only the beginning of what's to come. Be sure to subscribe for more fun and join us on the journey.